Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do click on the bell icon as well so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on a regular basis. Okay, so now let us continue with the discussion of DXY, which is the US dollar index, from where we left off on Monday night, 29th of April. So when we were discussing, market was trending over here at our area of short term at our major area of support. You guys can see that market did give us a sell opportunity, but if we would have taken a short position over here, you guys can see that market created a gap and went up, so that trade would have not been executed. So from there market continued to go up, and once market closed with a positive green candle, which is this, we could have taken a long position over here. So let me take this trade. Our stop loss will be just below the previous candle and our take profit will be approximately 1%. Now after that, market gave us another opportunity to buy from here, but you guys can see that this is a mixed candle and you guys do not take a buy entry in this green candle. Okay, this is not a convincing candle unlike over here. So the next positive trade would be taken from here when market gave us a convincing buying position from our support area over here. So you guys could take a buying position from this candle over here. Your stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and your take profit will be approximately till here, and this trade would have given us a 1.7% profit. And then afterwards market closed just below our area of short term resistance. So if we take a short position from here, our stop loss will be just above this previous candle and our take profit will be approximately till here. And now let us go to the shorter time frame of 15 minutes chart and see that if we hit our take profit level first or did we hit our stop loss. So you guys can see if we take a short position from here, we would have hit the take profit of 2.09% first. So that simply means that we would have, if we would have taken this trade, then we would have made a profit of 2% at least. And afterwards, you guys can see that market gave us another opportunity to buy when market closed just above our area of short-term resistance over here, our minor area of resistance, you guys can better say. So if we take a buying position from here, our stop loss will be, sorry, our stop loss will be just below this previous candle and our take profit will be approximately till here, giving us a 2.1% profit. And similarly, when market once again gave us an opportunity to buy over here, our stop loss will be just below this previous candle and our take profit will be over here, giving us a 2.8% profit. And then you guys can see that market entered our area of major area of resistance. Over here market also touched our area of resistance. If we take a short position here, we would have hit a stop loss, and then once market was below our area of resistance over here, then from here we could take a short position. Let me take this entry. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle and our take profit will be approximately till here, giving us a 9.07% profit, and that is huge. Okay, and then afterwards market gave us another opportunity to short from here as well. So if we take this short trade, our stop loss will be just above this previous candle and our take profit will be approximately till here, giving us a 15.1% profit. So overall we made some huge profits in this DXY pair, and even now the running candle is of a good buying position. So you guys can stay vigilant and maybe take a trade. As you guys can clearly see that market is in a convincingly sideways movement of and market is constantly rebounding within our area of major area of support and major area of resistance. So this is the demand area and this is the major area of supply currently, and market is rebounding within these zones. So I hope that you guys will be vigilant and making some good profits within these zones. Okay, so now let me move forward the scenarios for tomorrow, which will be the 2nd of May. And if you guys are not understanding any of our discussion, then just let me know in the comment section and I will try my best to explain you guys further that how to take these trades. Even though I have made a video for you guys that how to take the entries and how to take the exits, and the link for that video is mentioned in the description of this video as well. So just try to be vigilant and take trades accordingly. And if you guys have any other questions, I am always available in the comment section as well. So just let me know, and I will try my best to resolve all your queries. Till then, just do safe trading and take care of your profits and take care of your money. Just always manage your risks and never risk more than 1% of your total equity in any of your trades. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you guys tomorrow night with fresh scenarios. Thank you.